Welcome to Tutorials, and in this video you are learning Bootstrap, and in this series you will learn what is Bootstrap Navbar. This is very important video, so please listen to this video, watch this video very carefully, because without navigation bar you cannot create any website. It is important part of every website, so that is why you should focus on this. Navbar is one of the important component of Bootstrap, so let's go to its official website and I will show you that how this works. You can see this is complete code of navigation bar. So generally you don't have to create the navigation bar. The code is already provided. So what you need to do is just copy and customize the code as per your requirement. So now let's create a new file. Rather than new file, I will once again save it because there is a lot of things already there. So navbar.html. Okay, now what happens, navbar normally is on the top level, so I will just copy and paste here. You can see navbar expanded LG, that means the bigger one, and navbar light, that means this is the navbar light and this is background. So if first let's see how does it look like, then we will make customization in this. Okay, so this is our navigation bar. If you want to put this inside any container, then it's better. Simply you can apply the class inside this only container. If you refresh here, you can see this navigation bar is starting from here. If you want to put this inside the container fluid, then it will show like that, but that's not important. The important thing is that how does it behave. Here you can see BG light, we can write here BG dark and refresh it and check the action. You can see now this is the color is dark. Now what if we want to keep our custom color, means our own color. I have already shown you that how you can override this bootstrap class. So if you check here, so this is the class actually, navbar, this top level, right? So navbar bg dark, you can check here, it is bg dark. Just copy this and then go to here and create with your own custom same name, and then background, whatever color you would like to display here. For example, I want to display here brown, and refresh it and check here. One second, it's not showing here. Okay, since we have to override this, that is why we have to write here important. Then this color will be overwritten. You can see now our color is detecting here, right? And also one very important thing is that there is already mobile friendly this menu. If you click, okay, for this we need to include Bootstrap JavaScript also, because so far we have not included in the footer JavaScript. Now we will enable it. We had commented this, so now we required this bootstrap min and bootstrap bundle min.js. So refresh it, then it should work now. Okay, you can see now it's working perfectly. In reverse order. And apart from that, it is recommended to use jQuery also, so we will use jQuery also. Remember, you should put jQuery before these two codes. Okay, there is some problem in this menu, so not working, but you can see the menu is working perfectly here. Now we will check other menu also. So let's get back to that one here, navbar. Same, this is same here, BG light, but some button is disabled. Simply it's written here disabled, that's why. Area disabled too. If you want to display here drop down menu, then there is drop down menu as well. Just copy this and then let's go here in the menu section, and so this is left side, and then this is sub menu. Here is drop down menu as well. If you check it into the mobile device, it should work there also. Don't know what it's not collapsing. As regards the menu, there are different colors you can see: navbar, navbar dark, BG dark, navbar primary, so you can apply other color as well. Yes, and there is one more thing here, fixed top. So what will happen when we scroll? Then the menu will be fixed. Refresh it and then you can see it is fixed now. So generally we require this. When we scroll, the user can see. I don't know why it's not behaving properly. Yes, you can see the menu is fixed now. So just you need to write one line of code, and that is fixed top. If you write here fixed bottom, then it will show. And another one is sticky top. Generally we need this one also, sticky top. Okay, to work this collapse, if it doesn't work, what we need to do is, okay, so what is required here, let me explain once again. First thing required is Bootstrap, which we already have, and then two things we required only. First one is jQuery, and then Bootstrap bundle min.js, right? These two things we required to work on this collapse menu. Okay, so remember three things. In the top level you will put this Bootstrap CDN, CSS, and then jQuery, and then Bootstrap bundle. That's it. So these are the things, it's not head actually. So these are the things which are required to work this collapse menu. If you refresh and you check, you can see it's working perfectly. If you click here, then it will work on the top level menu. So as you can see that it is very easy to create menu and also drop down menu, and also with the same code you can create responsive menu for mobile as well. So guys, hope you like this video. So thanks for watching this video, and still if you have not subscribed my channel, then I recommend you to please subscribe the channel and also press the bell button so that my new video will reach first to you.